Hey, this is Doc Yates, and if you're watching this video, it's your concern because the bags under your eyes are starting to make you look like Gandalf the Grey. And I'm going to give you 7 important tips to consider to prevent you from looking like a wizard from Lord of the Rings right now. Number 1, your thyroid. If your thyroid is off, it will cause puffiness and bags underneath the eyes. You need to get that checked, especially if you have a family history of thyroid issues. So get your thyroid checked. Make sure they're checking TSH, free T3, and free T4. The whole works. The next thing, do you have any deficiencies? If you're any deficiencies in B12, zinc, different vitamins and minerals, the easiest way to do that, honestly, is make sure you're taking like a good B complex in the morning and a multi-mineral before you go to bed. You rule that out quickly. Point number 3, do you have food sensitivities? It's very common that I see people who have a lot of puffiness underneath their eyes. So when we eliminate the most common problematic food sensitivities, that does clear up. If I was to list the top food sensitivities that I typically see, that would be things such as wheat, dairy, corn, sugar, soy. Yeah, that's a pretty good top 5 right off the start. The next thing is allergies. Do you have any type of environmental allergies? That you see that more common for kids if they're getting dark purple under their eyes. I used to call them allergic shiners, and you can lead to puffiness as well. If you have any type of allergies, make sure you're getting those eliminated, especially from your room where you're sleeping, and that will improve the puffiness under your eyes. Number 5 is your sleep. If your sleep sucks, you're not going to have fresh, healthy looking eyes. So make sure you're getting your sleep addressed. If your sleep is off because of hormones changes due to perimenopause, correct the hormones. You get the benefits of the sleep. You get the benefit of the eyes. You can see how this all ties in together. Number 6 is if you're drinking wine a lot or beer a lot, you will notice increased puffiness under your eyes. So pull that back. I'm not saying you should never drink it ever, but there's not really any of the health benefits that we once thought was associated with that. And if you're going to drink something else, switch to a clear alcohol instead. Number 7, acupuncture sticker needles. I use these for patients all the time. You can put on these little sticker band-aids, and they have tiny little acupuncture needles attached. They're literally the size of a mosquito's nose. You can stick those on to different faces, and they play a great role for anti-aging, reducing the bags under your eyes, and reducing fine lines or wrinkles. So those are the top 7 things that you can do if you're struggling with puffiness under your eyes in perimenopause. I hope this was helpful. Doc Yates is signing out.